Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this nice exponential problem, and we have 4 to the power of n plus 16 to the power of n equals to 272, and we solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first we rewrite this equation as we have 4 to the power of n plus we write the 16 as 4 square and its whole power n equals to 272. And now in the next step, we interchange these two exponents and we get 4 to the power of n plus 4 to the power of n and its whole square equals to 272. And now in the next step, we take or we convert this exponential equation into the quadratic form so that we take here y equals to 4 to the power of n. So when we substitute 4 to the power of n equals to y, then it is equals to y plus y square equals to 272. And now in the next step, we rearrange this equation and we move this 272 in the left hand side and we write it as y square plus y minus 272 equals to 0. So this will becomes in quadratic form, and now we easily make the factors of this equation. So here we need any two numbers whose product is minus 272, and when we add these two numbers then we get here plus 1, so that these two numbers are y square plus 17y minus 16y minus 272 equals to 0. So when we multiply 17 by minus 16, then you get minus 272, and when we add or subtract 17 minus 16, then you get plus 1. So here we easily make the factors of this equation. And now in the next step, we simplify this equation, and now first we take common y on the first two terms and we get y plus 17. Here we take common minus 16 and we get y plus 17, and this whole equals to 0. And in the next step, you see here we have y plus 17 be the common factor, so that we take it common and we get y plus 17 into, when you take common y plus 17, here we get y, and here we take common y plus 17 and we obtain minus 16, and this whole equation equals to 0. So in the next step, we divide this uh, equation into the two cases, so that our first case is we have y plus 17 equals to 0, and the second case is y minus 16 equals to 0. So in the first case, you get the value of y equals to minus 17, and in the second case you get the value of y equals to 16. And now we back substitute the value of y, and in the given we have y equals to we take it y equals to 4 to the power of n. So we back substitute the value of y here, and we have 4 to the power of n equals to minus 17, and here you have 4 to the power of n equals to 16. And now in the first case, you focus on both of the sides, and we know about the exponential function is that it is always positive. An exponential function cannot gives us a negative value, so it is always positive, but in the right hand side we have a negative value, so that it cannot be possible an exponential function equals to some negative value. So that it cannot be possible an exponential function equals to some negative value, and we will rejected this case, and we will just proceed here this case only. And in this case, first we focus on the right hand side and we have 16 and we write it as 4 square. You know that 4 square equals to 16. And now we compare both of the sides, and you know that bases are same, so that its exponents are equal. So we get the value of n equals to 2. So this is the final answer of this problem. And now we check our value of n. Is this value of n satisfied our given question statement or not? So this is n equals to 2. Now we substitute the value of n on the left hand side and we obtain 4 square plus 16 square equals to 272, and we obtain 16. You know that 4 square will be 16 and 16 square equals to 256 equals to 272. So when we add 16 plus 256, then you obtain 272. It is equals to 272. So this means that n equals to 2 satisfies the given question statement. So n equals to 2 be the solution of the given problem, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.